As we navigate the complexities of today's business landscape, we find ourselves at a crucial crossroads. We must ask ourselves, what kind of leaders do we want to become? The answer lies in nurturing ethical leadership grounded in our Christian values. In a world often driven by profit at any cost, we have the unique opportunity to redefine success. True excellence in business is not just about numbers. It's about integrity, compassion, and service. As future leaders, we are called to be stewards of not only our resources, but also our communities. Integrating faith into our business practices means leading with purpose and moral conviction. It challenges us to prioritize ethical decision-making, to treat others with respect, and to create environments where everyone can thrive. When we embrace these principles, we build trust not just with clients and stakeholders, but also within our teams and communities. Together, we can empower one another to lead with excellence and integrity, ensuring that our legacy as future business leaders reflect not only our achievements, but also our commitment to making the world a better place. Welcome to the College of Business Administration and Accountancy. Make your dreams come true with us.